Alright, here is an Emerson designer in brown. This fan came from the Russian Fazbear, one of my good collector friends. This fan came out of a hair salon in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. There were 4 of them. Dan Newman has one, I have one, and Spencer has the other 2. And I don't know what he plans on doing with the second one that he has. Let's get a look here. This fan is very close in contact with my Centennial, so that's why I have the camera on the tripod. I'm going to hold the Centennial blades to ensure that the fan does not hit them, because I don't want to ruin the pristine condition of the Centennial at all. Nor do I want blades to split and crack and, then I'll be angry. Has a string on it. I haven't taken that off yet. It has one of these lavalier pull chains. Let's put this down. I'll turn the fan on and hold the Centennial so that way nothing gets broken. There we go. I believe this is an older designer. You can tell by these blade tips. And then it has this pull chain. This is an older designer. The newer ones have flat blade tips and a standard pull chain. And this fan has very scratchy bearings, unfortunately, and I haven't looked into getting them oiled up yet or replaced. I just haven't had time. I have 2 jobs in school, so it just makes life so hard to do anything fan related. But on medium and high you will hear audible scratchy bearings. You're just going to have to deal with it. Let's turn this camera screen around so I can see what the camera sees. Honestly, you might be able to hear it now. Yeah, you can see just how close it is to the Centennial right there. So when I move to the higher speed, I'm going to hold the blades that way it doesn't move from the wind. Pretty nice low. You can hear an audible motor hum, but it doesn't really bother me. It's not as loud as, say, a CEI motor. I'm sure I have a Kodak 100 laying on the ground. I'm sure that's a lot louder than this. Last year, when I got my Turn of the Century Deluxe, it has the same mounting system as this, and I thought it would be dangerous to have that hanging like that. But I looked into it further and discovered that I can lay that rubber piece flat on that J-hook. So it's not really that unsafe. I guess I was paranoid that it would crack in half and break. Plus that fan, actually, the shell is made of metal and it's a lot heavier than a plastic designer, so perhaps that's where my superstition came from. It's a decent medium speed, not as fast or as powerful as I'd like, but it's a nice breeze. Alright, and let's go to high. High is okay. Maybe it's because of the mounting for the blades that it's not that great, but I don't know. It's probably due to the fact that the bearings are scratchy, but as I've continued to run it, it's been somewhat better. When I first got it, the bearings were they were awful, but it's a lot better now. Putting off a decent breeze. I really do not want to keep this on high for very long, so you know what, we're gonna make sure that the Centennial blades are positioned adequately, and we'll give you your little airflow test. Let's turn this camera around. Yeah, you can see on the camera it's not that fast. There's your top shot. Oh, camera hit the blades. Whoops. Alright, let's put this down and turn it off. Oh, wow. Alright, so I guess you can call these bloopers. As I turn this off, the pull chain triggered the X10 module, since that's connected into the same outlet as this. That's pretty interesting. So anyway, that's my brown Emerson designer plastic from the Russian Fazbear. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.